Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. So in this week's PPF pro tip that I'm going to go over, how to use Tack Solution when installing paint protection film. When is the right time to use it and how much is the right amount to use? So we got this 2022 Ford Bronco here in this really nice yellow-orange color. We're going to be doing two videos with this Bronco. The second video we're going to be doing is how to post heat all of our edges. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So let's get going on this first video. Okay, so I'm ready to get going installing the hood. I got a ton of slip solution underneath the film. Now, where I want to start on this partial hood is right up over here. So I've already installed the fenders. Now I'm just going to line the hood up with it. So this right here is an area I would want to use Tack Solution. So all I'm going to do, because the film is so slippery underneath because of all the slip solution, I'm just going to pull the film back. Get a bit of Tack Solution in there. I'm going to drop it down in place. Squeegee it down. There we go. That's locked in place. It's not going to go anywhere. Now, what I want to do is I want to come right over here to this corner. I'm going to pull the film back. Spray my Tack Solution right there. And I'm just going to lay the film down right where it needs to be. Now, I kind of have to massage the film into place because I'm getting all these fingers building up. Just like that. I'm going to squeegee that down. Now, before I move over to the other side and stretch over there, I'm actually going to come back to where we started, because you can see how we got this sharp valley that goes down over here and the film's wanting to pop up. All I'm doing is just taking my hand, getting the film in place, massaging those fingers out. I guess this is turning into a how to install a partial hood on a Ford Bronco video as well too, but that's okay. So I'm just going to get this down. Angled squeegee to push all the solution away. There we go. Now I'm just going to come up over here, get all that down. Okay, that's good. Now we can move over to the other side. So what I'm going to do, same thing we did on the driver's side, I'm going to come up over here to this corner. I'm going to get this lined up, get my Tack Solution in there, get the film lined up, squeegee that down. Actually, I got to come over a little bit more. There we go. Just like so. Now I'll come down over here. We'll do the exact same thing. Just gonna stretch that film into place. Just gonna hold that. Oh, I need a little bit more. There we go. Now, same thing I did before. Need to get all this film down. And all I'm going to do is just massage that down with my own hands. Start to squeegee that down. Got all that squeegeed out. Okay, now if we come over here, you can see I just got slip solution in here. Everything else is gliding really nicely. Our major important parts, they're already tacked down. This valley, all of our reference points and everything. You can see we've got our edge extended past there so we can wrap that. Now, all I'm gonna do is start to squeegee everything down. So I'm gonna make a line right at the top, get all that out. Everything else I'm just gonna pull down. Always want to overlap squeegee strokes, make sure you're not leaving moisture behind. Now we do have a body line right over here. I'm just going to come sideways with my squeegee, make sure everything is out. You can see how the film is kind of popping up here a little bit. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to get my hand in there, flush that out with my tack, and that sits down like it should. Now what I'm going to do along this whole front edge, this is where I'm going to use my Tack Solution the most, because I want to flush all that soap out. One thing I should also note while I'm doing this is I just recently started using just hot water for my Tack Solution. Normally in the past I've always used a mixture of isopropyl alcohol and water, but I was told by somebody in the comments section that I should try using hot water, and I have, and it works really, really well. Flushes all that soap out of there really nicely and allows for us to be able to wrap the edges a lot quicker. So you guys are learning more than just when to use your Tack Solution in this video. You're learning how to install a partial hood on a Bronco, as well as a new Tack Solution mixture. Okay, so that's that. That's gonna do it for this video. The next video we're gonna go over how to wrap the edges and post heat them. So if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you stay tuned for the next one, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, hit that like button and leave a comment down below.